That is so cute. Two-toned Play-Doh. These are from Mattel. I've never seen these felt letters before. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdie, Gator. I am out of state once again. I am in Iowa today, really going to the exciting places in the US. Yes, I'm in Iowa today, here at this Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and head in. It's my first time ever going to this location. And as you guys can see, it's a really big open store. It's a really, everything is extremely visible here. Let's see what's new. This chick's ready for Easter. That is so cute. Super cute. All the spring items. Torch fuel, citronella incense sticks. These little cute lanterns. The flower picks. These are cute. There's some shiny ones up here. Welcome. Aww. I don't think I've seen this one yet. All the little cute fairy garden things. All the little minis.
You want some golden eggs?
All the Easter basket fillers.
Yeah, you can. Too bad you don't get
Puzzles. Silly string. These are the Crayola clear slimes. Nickelodeon slime, light blue. I guess they're all by Crazy Art. Mint green. We also have lovely lavender. We have poppin' purple. And pretty pink. Glow bracelets. Gemstone excavation kits. They're calling a lot of these basket stuffers. Basket stuffers. The cute little headbands. Flarp. And of course, tons of Easter candy. Some of these Easter candy items, you can go to the sister store, you can go to Family Dollar, or you can go to a Dollar Tree combo store. And some of the $1 candy items are $1 and not $1.25. But then all of the Peeps at the combo store are actually $1.50 if you're looking for Peeps. We have white chocolate and milk chocolate. These, for example, are $1 at the combo store. The singles. Oh, these are so cute. The chocolate lentils, that's what they call them, chocolate lentils.
Hey, yo. That's weird.
All the toys, the outside toys. This is a collapsible LED sword. Those would be fun for summer or spring, a nice spring night. Ooh, the two-toned Play-Doh. These are really cute. We have blue and yellow. We have green and orange. We have pink and purple. I really love these. I love the pink and white. Let's see if we have any other combos. This is my first time I've ever seen these from Play-Doh. Yellow and pink. Yeah, those are really cute. These are really pretty too. Well, I'm just going to give you guys a tour of this store. This store feels really different than a lot of my other stores. It's very spacious. Love that set. The flowers are so pretty. All the birthday items. I mean, the majority of the things are still in the same place, but it just feels really spacious. And also we have this type of floor. Different flooring. Little baby. The big day. Ooh, these are pretty. Bride and groom. Wedding day. More party items back here. All the balloons. Yeah, everything is pretty much in the same spot. The toy aisle is looking really neat and clean. My kids love these. Gator loves that. My other kids, they actually have them too. The modeling clay is back. Littlest Pet Shop. Oops. These are from Mattel. Lowdown Go and Dose Go. Pocket size cards. Those are cute. And they have a little travel Connect 4 and the memory game. Don't worry, you guys. I'm going to turn around and show you the crafts too. 3 little hollow baseballs. My craft section still has some Christmas items. I've never seen these felt letters before. The bags of paper, the ephemera packs, and you get a lot. The canvases, Mickey art kit. Ooh, they have a lot of stickers. A lot. This is probably one of the biggest sticker sections I've ever seen. And they have tons of these laser cut icons. All right, you guys, well, I'm gonna start another video, so definitely come back to the very next one. I'm gonna be filming here in this brand new location. I love bringing you guys to brand new locations with me. It's always refreshing to try out a new store. So I will see you guys in the very next one. Bye, guys.